The Bunker Jonesy in Fortnite, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to draw him today. And welcome to my channel. And yeah, this is your boy TamashaBera right over here. And if this is your first time tuning in to this channel, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That would highly be appreciated, guys. And when you guys are subscribing, make sure you guys go ahead and turn on the notification bell to be notified for daily videos. And make sure you guys drop a like right now. That would really mean the world to me. So basically, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys a very fast speed sketch with my pencil. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a marker to illustrate how to draw this in a step-by-step process. And within the next 10 minutes, you guys will be able to draw Bunker Jonesy fully. Now, if you guys are wondering, why should I draw this? Maybe you guys can actually give this to your friend for, their birthday, or, as a gift, as a token of something, or maybe like something in your vacation that you guys would like to draw, some sort of funny Fortnite characters. So yes, in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys on how to draw this step by step, a complete tutorial to make it easy for you guys. That's right. Now this is just a very fast forward version of a pencil sketch that I have done to show you guys that first I use my pencil, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna erase my pencil drawing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make it with the marker so that I can illustrate it to you guys. And yeah, make sure you guys go down to the comment section down below and tell me, which character do I draw next, or which character would you like to draw next? So I'll be more than happy to draw the stuff or the characters that you guys want me to. So this is Bunker Jones. This is just a pencil illustration. Once you guys color him, he will look way more nicer. So guys, what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now, this is the final sketch that I have which is the pencil drawing. So I'm gonna take an eraser, like a white clean one, and soon it's gonna get dirty. So what I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lightly use my eraser, and I'll start erasing the sketch that I just did with my pencil, just to lighten the corners up and everything. And yeah, I mean, as you guys can see, the eraser really becomes dirty, but that doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my eraser with the side, and I'm gonna lighten up the shades with my pencil, and I've written my name just in case. So I hope you guys have a piece of paper, a piece of pencil, an eraser, or a sharpener. So this is the first step. As always, we are gonna draw a big curve, and remember guys, to draw this, all you need is curved lines and a few straight lines to make this happen. So basically, you make another curved line like this, and which kind of looks like a bird. And you make another parallel line, and then you join it to the other side. Make another curve. The same goes on with the other side. You make another curve, and it actually looks like a bird, right? And this is actually the top of his head, where his hair is coming out. So we join these two things. We make a small curve right over here. As you guys can see, I'm just drawing over my pencil drawing just to make it easy for you guys to understand. One small curve right over here, and then another straight line, and then a little bit curvy at the end. The same goes on with the other one, where I'm going to draw a curve and then curve it down like that. The next one, we go ahead and make a big curve, like an inverted S. Like this is a curve, a little bit bendy, and then straight at the very end. And then we're going to do the same thing, and over here we're going to draw a curved bendy line for his head. That what I'm going to do from here is, you have to if you guys want, you guys can actually pause the video, go back and forth. That's the best part. You guys can draw slowly. You guys don't have to be that fast. Then you start joining these lines that you guys can see over here to make his hair. The best part about that, if you guys are watching this video, you guys can actually pause the video at any time, go back, and also start doing it all over again. If you guys want to erase something, go ahead. You guys can pause the video if you guys want to erase something, so you guys can actually go ahead and do that. I'm going to be always here with you guys, and I'm going to help you guys out with your drawing. And yeah, I've done many exams, drawings and everything, professional stuff when it comes down to drawings. So I have I would say qualifications to draw stuff. But anyways, so so just make sure you guys are following this, okay? Just make sure you guys are following this, okay? Now, from the other side, we're gonna make another bendy line right over here. Very simple and easy, and then another straight line like that. Then the same thing all over again, because we're making his shoulders right now. Another curved line just to make his other shoulder. Guys, let me tell you guys, once you guys are done with this and you give this to somebody, you know, maybe your Fortnite friends, or maybe you guys can actually draw this, take a picture, send it to your friends at Epic Games. So you guys can actually do that. And if you guys want, you guys can actually draw the picture, and you can actually use my social media to send a picture. You can just take a picture on your phone and just send it to me. I'll be more than happy to share it on my videos every single day, right, if any guys submit. And the most important thing that I want to tell you guys, to use the supported creator code, which is TamashaBera, as you guys can see on the bottom of the screen, which is TAMASHABERA, and that's the name of my channel. So go ahead and use it in the Fortnite item shop if you guys are getting something from there. Alright, so very easy and simple, guys. It's all curved lines. I'm gonna make like his eyebrow. Like, I really do not recommend you guys using a marker, because I'm using a bold tip marker and I should not be doing that, but instead I should be using a thin tip marker. This is a very bold marker. I'm going to use a bold marker so that I can illustrate you guys what I am drawing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make his, you know, nice googly eyes. Boom. So it's just curved lines. You guys see like two curved lines, and we make his eyes. To make his eyeball, we're going to make a small circle at the very center. You guys can actually make him look at any direction that you guys want. And the same thing I'm going to do with the other eye to make him look like the character which is in the game. Remember guys, this is going to be the hair, not his face, that I'm making right now, because there's a big hair which is falling on his face. So I'm going to go ahead and from that very junction, I'm going to nicely make his hair. Now this is a very difficult task to do it with the markers. That is the reason I don't tell you guys to use a marker first, but instead use a pencil. You know, go slow and steady, and things are going to be great. And over here we make another curved line right over here just to make his hair. Guys, make sure guys, my man has a lot of braids. I wouldn't say braids, long hair I would say, which is the Bunker Jonesy in Fortnite Battle Royale. So this is how you make the hair. So we make two parallel lines and we join it at the very end, right? So remember guys, you guys can actually, like, you know, take this up as a project if you guys want to do something for your school, or you know, anything. If you guys are Fortnite fans, if you guys want to make some Fortnite posters and you guys don't know where to get it from, but you guys can actually draw stuff which actually looks way better than posters. So you guys can actually go ahead and follow this video. And furthermore, I would probably think of, like, you know, giving it out like a digital copy to all my subscribers. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe there will be like colored ones for members. So if you guys want to become a member, you guys can actually click on the join button down below, or you guys can actually become a member of this channel. So click on the links which will be in the description, or else click on the join button which will be on the homepage. So yeah, right now we are making his hands. As you guys can see, it's just one curved line on top of each other. So we were making his band, which is already there on its upper arm. Boom. Bands. You guys can like put details. You guys can, you know, even write your names at that, just to make, or maybe like write your friend's name if you guys are gifting this to somebody. So yeah, there are many things that you guys can use. Like at the end, you guys can actually use any colors to make the Bunker Jonesy. So you guys can use any color that you guys want. Even if you want, you guys can color his hair pink or even blue. It's not a necessity. You guys can actually use any colors that you guys like. Make him look funny, because he has like, you know, markings over his face and over his arms. And so for the nose, as you guys can see, we made two lines and then a curved thing at the very middle. That's how we make the nose. Like, very easy and simple. You guys can put even more details when you guys are coloring. And I'm gonna go ahead and make his long mustache. That's right, it's a very funny mustache. So I make a big S. Did you guys see that? I just made a big S. And from this side onwards, I'm going to make another S, and we're going to make it pointy at the very end. As you guys can see, like, Bunker Jonesy is already looking good. Let me tell you guys that. Guys, make sure. We have so many. We have the John Wick. We have the Ice King. We have the Vendetta skin. We have so many skins here on the channel that we have made a drawing of. If you guys want to follow that, make sure guys, go ahead and check those videos out if you guys want to draw any skin that you guys want. And if it's not there, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to send some on your way. So I actually love drawing, and I always loved it. So as you guys can see, for making the hands, I'm just using straight lines. Okay, straight lines, one after the other, straight lines. See, straight line, another straight, 3 straight lines, and boom, his finger. It's very easy, straight lines, one after the other. It's so simple and easy. If you guys are following me step-by-step process, see, curved lines, U, I'm making like small U's right over there for his gloves. So if you guys are following me in this video, things become just really so easy. Like, see, a big curve right over there just to make his hand, just like the way it is in the game. Another curve right over there to make his gloves. You need to be very easy, okay? Like when you guys are following this video, you guys can always go back if you want. You guys can actually use the gear button down below. You can always slow the video down if you guys want, but you guys can always scroll back. So yeah, you guys can actually do that. You guys can use sketch pens, you guys can use watercolor, poster colors, acrylic colors, oil paint, any color, even pencil colors. You guys can use anything that you guys. I'm just gonna use my pencil, give it a little shade to make you guys understand that there's depth in the finger. So talking about colors, you guys can actually use any. Oh, whoa, there's something wrong with my work. But yeah, you guys can actually use any colors that you guys like. You guys can color his gloves some different color, which might not be there in Fortnite. So you guys can actually use any color that you guys might like. And I'm gonna be here again with the new Fortnite characters and new drawings here on this channel. That's right, this is a new segment, a new series that I have started here in this channel. It's a real pleasure that I have your support over here. So it really means the world to me. So I'm gonna make his long beard, his funny looking, his signature long beard of Mr. Bunker Jones. So I'm gonna make his mouth, and then I'm gonna go and see, I made his mouth right over here, and then I'm gonna make another parallel line right over here to make his beard. See, like 2 curved lines. From here, I'm gonna make his beard. See, all the lines to make it look like a free flowing beard. Make it look funny. If you guys want, even you guys can color the beard in a different color to make him look a bit more funny and goofier. So see, like bend lines just to make his body, and I'm gonna make his small things which is already there on his jacket to make him look cooler, And remember guys, you guys can put anything. There's also a tattoo on his big arm, the one to the left. So you guys can actually use colors to make that happen, or even use a small marker. I'm gonna make his belt right now. Boom. See, curved lines next to each other. Curved lines, one after each other. The curved lines are very important. Like, see, like the free flowing of the beard and everything. So you guys can actually go ahead and draw this, okay? I encourage everybody to draw this Bunker Jones because it's one of the famous skins over here, just like Peely that we had in the last season. So I encourage everybody to go ahead and give it a shot. And I'm pretty sure you guys are going to do a fantastic job, guys. So the more submissions that I get, the more skins that I will be gifting. So you guys need to go ahead and do the best drawing, okay? The best drawing wins skins from me in Fortnite. You guys have seen me in live streams where I've gifted so many skins to so many people on my channel. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to go ahead and make his other glove. So yeah, go ahead guys, start submitting your drawings. Guys, if you guys have reached till this part of the video, I just want to say congratulations to everybody who has reached till this part of the video, and you guys should definitely subscribe because you deserve it. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified every single time whenever we are making a new video here on this channel. And make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like right now. That would always be appreciated, guys. And use the supporter credit code TamashaBera in the Fortnite item shop. I'm gonna make his pink logos, his pink tattoos that he has on his on his hands. Pretty easy and simple. So yeah, you guys can actually I will be sending digital copies to all my subscribers. So if you guys want to stay in the loop, if you guys want to get everything from the channel, make sure to go ahead and follow me on my social media. I'm just gonna try a little bit to make the tattoo. Yeah, all right, and that seems like pretty close enough to me. And Bunker Jonesy, I'll be honest, like this Bunker Jonesy is way more cuter than the Bunker Jonesy that we have in the game. So I mean, I think like this is much more cuter than the one that we have in the game. So we have right up here the Mr. Bunker Jonesy from Fortnite Battle Royale. Guys, remember, I'm gonna be here every single day with new drawings. If you guys want to stay up to date with everything, make sure you guys stay subscribed to this channel. So if you guys want, you guys can actually use your pencil, give depth to certain parts of the character that you guys want. You guys can actually start coloring it up after you guys are done. And if you guys remember, there's a pink tattoo on his face. I'm gonna just use my pencil and I'm gonna shade it a little bit so that you guys, I would be able to make you guys understand, like, what the tattoo is like. So remember, guys, you guys can color this. And after coloring, like, I have already done my live stream where I colored like Fortnite characters. So I'm gonna skip forward and I'm gonna show you guys like in the video how it actually gonna look like. So it actually at the end, it depends on you guys what type of colors you guys can use to achieve your desired goal. And as always, like, there is no restriction on making these characters. You guys can make it as goofy as you guys want. Like, any colors would be appreciated, guys. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. So this is Bunker Jonesy in Fortnite Battle Royale. Have a great day ahead.